Hello, good day to become my employer in Hong Kong. I am Annie Kachempo Labanon, 24 years old, from Sitio, Pangalkigan, Barangay, Kasitan, Lawaan, Antique, Philippines. I am single. I am 152 centimeter and 58 kilogram. I am also graduate in college. Took up Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship by being a working student. My father is a farmer, my mother is a housewife, then I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. Mom and sir, this is my first time to work in Hong Kong, but I have 3 years work experience here in the Philippines as a house helper. I serve 4 members in the family, including husband and wife, and their 2 children, 3 and 6 years old. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, washing dishes, washing clothes, and taking care of their 2 children. I'm also good for taking care of pets because they have 3 dogs and 3 cats at their house. Mom and sir, please hire me because I am hardworking, trustworthy, have a self-discipline, honest, and I promise to do all my best to do my duties and responsibilities to work with you as soon as possible. That's all. Thank you and God bless.